yourselves, little pony. Oh, Mickey and Donald have a farm. Mr. Mouse will do. And on our farm, we have bunnies.
A goat.
Mr. Mouse will do. With the howdy here.
Here's fun, there's fun, lots of fun for everyone.
Mickey and Donald have a farm. We do.
Did someone just oink, oink, oink?
No.
Did you oink, oink, oink? Then who do you think went oink, oink, oink? Piggies? Yeah, they gotta be around here somewhere.
And I think their oink oinks are coming from over there.
The Cluck Cluck chicken coop? Those aren't chickens, they're little piggies.
Uh-oh, the basket at the bottom of the slide is gone. And the piggies need a safe place to land.
We need a basket toy.
Everybody say, oh,
You come?
Let's see. We have the handy fishing pole, a soft blanket, and
The blanket.
Yeah, that's soft and comfy.
we got ears. Say cheers.
We got 3 little piggies in a blanket. What a silly sight. I bet they could stay in there and oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink all night. 3 little piggies in a blanket. What a sight to see. Listen to them oink, 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 oink. Just for you and me. 1, 2, 3. Mickey, make room for 3 more.
The more, the merrier.
One piggy, 2 piggy, 3 piggy.
Oh, Cluck chicken. Come out.
That sounds like Clarabelle.
And she sounds worried.
Right now, I want to see how much it drops. On how much does it cost me to put in trades? Should be 7x, whatever that is. So if it's a penny, that would be 7 pennies. It dropped down from a balance of what, 35 to now 28. So 35, 28. Seven times that. So it's really 14. So it's really 14 times as much. That's actually so crazy. So, yeah, their spread isn't that crazy on sway markets, but when it comes to their charges, it's like it's 14x whatever you put in. So, if you're dropping a penny lot size, you're paying at least 14 pennies. 7 comes straight out your balance as well, and then another 7 comes from the trade you're actively in. So it's really quite a lot, the charges. Quite surprising. Let's see. So, for example, we have 28 cents left. If we put in about 4 cents, it should get rid of that last little bit. Yeah. So it's exactly at 29 now. Quite interesting. Anyways, this is going to collapse for sure. So we don't really have anything to worry about when it comes to this trade, just because it's quite overbought. I mean, everybody's selling their crypto right now. Everybody's scared. Nobody wants to lose money, obviously. So people aren't going to be holding. But I wanted to see the charges and what they were like. So off rip right now, we're in 5 cents. So that's costing us 5 times 7. If you understand that. So it's 5 cents. So we'd have to do 0.05 times 7. And that would get us our charges just for our trade alone. So we need to make over 35 cents before we're profitable. But that's not even true. It's actually 35 cents times 2, because originally we had another 35 cents in our account, but it cost us 35 cents out of our balance. So really, we need to be over 70 cents before we see any profit. So until we're above 70 cents, we won't see any profit. Now, with this trade here, I would definitely. What? Does it mean that you want some? I know you can. I got my daughter with me right now. One of my children. She's with me. And she loves to watch Mickey Mouse. And I turned off the volume just so I could have you guys hear me. But anyways, I was just breaking down kind of the charges for this brokerage, just how much they're charging. Still a great broker, honestly. Their withdrawals are instant, deposits are really fast as well. Yeah, I like them. Sway markets, regulated in Australia to a point. I think I've looked into it. I don't know if they've updated it since then. I looked into it like a year ago. But yeah, I don't really have any problems with them, honestly. But with this account, actually, if we look at it, I've actually been building this account up. I want to build it up to 100K. It's kind of the beginning of the challenge, really. It's the first week. So if we look at, some of the metrics, last week metrics, it's saying 52 here. I don't know why it's saying 52. It's saying 124% return. It's actually more than that. It's around 230, I think, percent. And these numbers are actually higher because the account started lower. But we're not going to check analytics until people start hopping in here and asking questions. But nobody's really watching, so who cares? Who doesn't really matter. So now with every cent change, so that would be 4. So that would be 1 penny would be 14. So that would mean 2 pennies would be 28 cents additional on top of the 70. $0.98. We'd need to be over $1 to make profit. If we put in another 2 cents. We can do. I don't see Bitcoin continuing to shoot up. Even with that extra in there. And it was 3 cents. That would be 14. Because it's 7 times 2, which is 14. Plus the 14 times 3. And then plus 28. That'd be 70 cents. So then it would be 0.70 times 2. We'd need $1.40 over before we see any profit. $1.40. So we're going to start seeing that now, obviously, because it just dumped. So technically, we've made some money here. And if it continues to dump lower from here, be looking even better. Now, I wanted to see these numbers just because I wasn't sure what they were charging me on this account per se. But now I know. So feels better to know than not to know. And it's nice because in instances where we want to close all trades at once, I can actually do that from my phone. I'm pretty sure I can do it from here as well. If I just go here, positions, I think if I, there should be an option here somewhere. Pull that up. Chart. One of these should be the option to close all. This one's positions. My daughter here is messing with my controls. Anyways, yeah, just gonna watch this collapse. Real time, live here. But yeah, we need $1.40. We could start calculating pip movements. $1.40. Just messing with the candle types. Change it back. But let's now we need another plus 0.14. Now we need $1.54. How do I edit this? Why the fuck is it typing like that? This is exactly where the market liked to play around last time. It's a strong area where people like to buy and sell heavily. People are confused at this area, is what that's telling me. People don't know what to do. Now, for me, I'm not really worried because I know people like to secure their profits more than they like to risk making more money. And right now, when they had the risk to continue buying up higher, people weren't buying up higher at this price point. It just wasn't happening. So this is where we would take the account and we're going to short the market. I mean, this is where we short the market, guys. And in order to do that, we just got to hold because this is going to be a lot of fuckery. There's just going to be a lot of fuckery going on here. So people don't know what the fuck they want to do about it. But we can already see we pierced the bottom side previously here. It broke through with this candle, collapsed. We had a relapse of judgment. Motherfuckers thought they wanted Bitcoin to continue pushing up, but it's not going to happen. Everything's going to push down. We're going to make our money. People are going to get sad about it. And those of you who decide to short the market are going to be chilling. I mean, there's nothing to worry about here as long as you're in shorts. But yeah, I think this trade's great, especially the way it just shot up like that. I mean, I seriously doubt it. I mean, we're near the end of October. We'd have to get a bunch of like hype happens in the market, and there was a bunch of hype because of like everybody saying October, October. You know what I'm talking about. And you see, the issue with Bitcoin is that you can't really realize any of your gains. You can't utilize Bitcoin on a day-to-day basis unless you're living somewhere like El Salvador, right, where they have Bitcoin City. What, Bitcoin City is in El Salvador, right? Where is it? Yeah, it's El Salvador. Just had to confirm that. Just Google that really quick. But yeah, in America, we don't have that. In Europe, you don't have that. I mean, most places don't accept Bitcoin right now. And once that changes, then, this will change. This being price actually holding at these highs, it's just not worth that much right now. I mean, it's definitely worth way more. Like, if you really understand what crypto is, it's worth so much more. But right now, as it is, people aren't going to hold it. People want to realize their gains. People want to spend their money, and they can't spend it when it's in crypto unless they can trade it with someone else who's also in crypto. Anyways, so yeah, this is going to collapse. We're completely fine. I'm risking my entire account on this. You can see my margin levels all the way at 99%, 100%, 101% margin. So I'm using full margin on this trade. And that's the other thing I want to talk about. With this account, I'm flipping this account. So I've taken this account from like $23 or some shit. And now it's at $74 and floating. I'm floating it at like around $75 floating. Before I entered these trades, I was at $91. I've done that in the last week. This baby is so funny. She's like, kids are hilarious, honestly. But yeah, yeah. In order to flip an account, you have to, full send it every single time, and that's not typically how I trade. But here we're gonna just trade that way, just because it just makes more sense. It makes more sense because you're not going to make that much money if you don't. I mean, how many flips does it take to get 100K? I think it's like 14 flips to 100,000 from $20. So yeah, and so far, I know my dashboard isn't showing this properly. Let's see, today, win rate's been 100%. It's not showing all the trades. It's kind of whack. But fuck it, man. Fuck it. I'm gonna keep on keeping on. I think I started today at $64, 79. So that's like an extra $30, almost a little less. So yeah, that $10 evaluation here is kind of wrong. It's 100% wrong. I don't know when it updates. It's kind of odd that I refresh the metrics and it just refuses to refresh. It's kind of weird. I also don't like how every time I add a chart, it like adds a whole new. I'm trying to just like if I click positions, it's gonna give me a whole new position. It's like I don't need so many of these. Okay, this is trade history. Can I just see today? 10. Oh, this is actual. It's like 10. Okay, it's like 15, 16 for the day. Add all that up. All history. Yeah, you can also see, like, if this is a brand new account, I mean, all history, it's going to say the same thing. Okay, we got positions. Positions again. Why do we have so many positions? This is the trade history. We gotta correct this. And dashboard. Trade history. These are current positions. Okay. Everything's looking a little better. Chart. Which should always be Bitcoin, but likes to switch up on me every once in a while. But whatever. The other thing, when it comes to scalping, here's my technique when it comes to scalping. I like to scalp 30-minute time frame, which I mean right when a new 30-minute candle comes in, or right when a new hour candle comes in. Because every time, definitely the hour candle, but you know, the 30-minute candle too, those two candles, every time that new candle gets formed, there's always kind of a big push. At least you can catch at least 20, 30, 40 pips. And it's not a lot, but if you're scalping, you're trying to just catch like 1% a day, you could do that and you could be kind of safe about it for the most part. And typically it kind of goes both directions. So if you're wrong initially, if you hold out, you know, sometimes you can be right. Depending on the trade, you know, depending on how you're trading. For me, I can break down my strategy, but you know, nobody's really watching. I mean, I could definitely break it down, but I'm sure nobody, I'm just, you know, nobody gives a fuck. Nobody gives a shit. And the other thing that, you know, has to do with trading is that when you're trading on your own and you're trading for yourself, you have to create your own strategy that you abide by. Nobody else's strategy is going to work for you because it's a psychology thing when it comes to trading. Nobody fucking knows. I don't fucking know what direction it's going to go in. I don't know that it's going to go down because some fucking rich asshole or a group of rich assholes could definitely pump the market from where it's at right now if they really wanted to, if they had enough money. And everybody could follow suit. This is a big psychological chart. It's a psychological chart showing what people are thinking. And basically, all the motherfuckers online telling you that they know what's going to happen next are lying to you. They're all lying to you, or they're just overly confident. Now, there are situations where you can know what direction the market is going to go in if you have insider information or if the news hasn't been released to the public yet. Say there was a robbery on a gold farm or some shit. I don't know. One of the biggest in Sweden, whatever. Sweden gets robbed and it's not public information yet. And you have someone who knows that information and they tell you, hey, look, Sweden just got robbed for $7 billion of gold. They just hit a lick on Sweden. Sweden holds a lot of the gold reserves. Now, if you have that insider information, yeah, you could definitely trade that and you can buy gold at whatever price it's at. Even if it's at an all-time high. The moment that news comes out, the price of gold is going to skyrocket, you know? Just because of hysteria and people understanding that, holy fuck, somebody stole that much gold. Obviously, some shit's going down. And I should probably get a little bit of this gold. And you can make some money off that trade, right? In those situations, yeah, you do know something's up and you can trade that. But like I said, this is a psychological chart. So you need to go by what you think the world is thinking. And for Bitcoin, Bitcoin's pretty simple. I mean, when it skyrockets, everybody's happy. But eventually people get fucking bored because nobody just likes sitting there looking at the money that they can't spend. I mean, some people do because they're rich as fuck, but there's a lot of degens in fucking Bitcoin right now. and motherfuckers want to cash out quick. And then some of y'all just like holding. Y'all think you're the goats of trading, or I don't know. But whatever the case scenario is, I just don't believe that it's sustainable at these highs. I just understand how people work, and the moment some drops start happening, people lose confidence pretty fucking quick. I'm not gonna lie. Quick as fuck. Exactly, Zamina. Blah 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 blah. She's slamming her head into this pillow right now. Just blown into it. This little baby. Blah 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 blah. Yes, you silly bone. You are a silly gut. What you trying to do? You can't sit up here because then everybody's gonna see you. Potentially. So I got my camera on. Then again, nobody's watching me because nobody gives a shit. Unless you're driving a Lamborghini. See, the thing is, I have lots of sports cars. I've got plenty of, luxury sports cars. I'm just not showing them off all the time. I think I'm only showing off like one of my cars on Instagram. And if you like really deep dive into my life, check my Twitter and my Facebook handles and shit like that, you could definitely find some shit. Your margin level's at 96.22% and has breached the initial margin alert level. You may need to fund your account or close positions. Fuck no, we're holding because we need it to dump. Now, they will close my trades at 50% margin. I'm pretty sure. But we're nowhere near that. I seriously doubt we're going to see that because it would have to continue the pump from where it's at. And what I was telling you guys is that, that's just not happening at these levels. I mean, it could happen at these levels, but I seriously doubt it. What do you want to do, Zemi? Anyways, we're just going to keep floating this. During these times of the day, too, the market is really confused on what it wants to do. I don't know who's trading. I mean, if we check his trading, let's see. Trading time zone. Sydney, Australia, and Tokyo. Yeah, brokies. Bunch of brokies. In fact, they're such brokies, they'll probably sell off to Bitcoin at some point. Hold off a shitload of Bitcoin right now. That would be great. Which I know they want to do. Like, they were selling off heavy last night. This was last night. Peaked at 67 and just dropped and kept dropping. And then today, retards, fucking idiots, started buying it. Dumbass here. More dumbasses. Just dumbasses away. Retard McGee. Retard. Super retard. Big ass retard. Big old stupid dumb fucks up here buying. And then all of a sudden, they can't fucking buy no more. Motherfuckers aren't buying at this price. It dumps heavy because they're like, what the fuck were you thinking? Nobody's paying that. That's stupid. I actually sold down here. I sold this little drop. I got out. And I told myself, hey, you know what? I should buy. But I had to run to the grocery store and do some shit. So I decided not to buy. But, you never know. And I should have bought. So I could have been an extra $100 right there in the account. 120, a little more maybe. Who knows? But who cares? Who really gives a stinky fuck? Probably now 60, I want to say. Ooh, even worse. Your margin level is breached. Your positions will be closed as your margin level 69.33% is below the set liquidation level. Here we go again with Bitcoin. We got that dump in. We not dumped yet. But wow. 50 something. Not even at 50 anymore. Previously had 68 was at high. Very cool. Switch over to this one. Put in a couple buys. To the point where we can't buy no more. You see it pumping. 9 cents it let me get in? That's quite a lot. No wonder it took so much out of my balance. Surprised it even let those trades go all the way through like that. In fact, line trades just so much that like we should definitely exit. That account's public. What's this trading dash looking like? Probably like terrible. Last week, last month, all history. Oh my god. Insane. We just closed some trades in a loss. What's up with that? No, it's not showing it. I should go live every day till we get some views up in here. That's where all our entries are. It's where we got freaking wrecked. Price cracked above that. $32. 120. This candle right here is the one that's destroying us. It broke above, so I want you guys to understand this. It came up here. It broke through here. This is where exit should have happened. It didn't happen here. This is where we were at around $6, $8, $10 loss, which would have been fine. But here momentum has picked up. More buyers and sellers at 67,500. And still in this candle. We just got another 30-minute candle. And I told you guys how I like to look at those. That next 30-minute candle just came in. And it came in bullish, heavily bullish. Typically when that happens, it's collecting orders. And nothing happened, baby. I caught you. You slipped. You shouldn't have been climbing the boxes. You want to go to bed? You probably want to go to bed. It's getting late. I think the most I've ever made in a year, $2.3 million. A 30-minute candle, there it is. Brand new 30-minute candle. As you can see, it pushed up heavy. And I told you guys that's where I like to trade. But look, we're still in the good. We're still in the green. Because, like I told you, no one's buying at these high prices. Nobody. Nobody's going to be buying at those highs. was telling you guys some fucking cookies. Doesn't matter. Like I said, fucking candle came in. Our equities under, margins under 100%. Still fucking trash. But we can see here it hopped into our red box of danger. And then it came back. And it even came back below. That one point where we saw it break out of from the top, this point here. Now, what we want to see is for this to, we can spread this out actually, right? Like that, close it up so we don't accidentally move it. And we want to see this thing absolutely collapse to the ground level. And we could see it leveled back off at this 67.2. Who the fuck is buying at 67.2? Nobody. Nobody's buying at 67.2. If they're buying at 67.2, I'm fucked, you know? And that it is what it is. Now, we're in a nice area right now. If it pushes up, which we can see there's an ascending pattern setting up right here. That could very well fuck me hard. Fuck me so hard. Do I like getting fucked hard? Hell no, I like fucking hard. So whenever I get fucked, it's fucking gay. For many reasons. One, because I do the fucking. Two, because it's fucking gay. That's no gay shit, alright? Not for me. I have gay friends, but I'm not fucking gay. In fact, if it follows this, there's also patterns in the market as well. And patterns move with how society moves. Societal patterns happen. And sometimes in business, we got to take losses, right? You take losses in business. This is the same shit. Some days you take losses. Not every day is going to be a win. Now, will today be that day? I hope fucking not, but you know, it fucking happens sometimes. But whatever. Every dollar counts. And our dollars are how we make more money. Hey, stop. Stop fucking up the couch. I'll fuck you up. Just kidding. I love my cats. I might push them if they're being assholes. But that's kind of the most I'll do. Cats don't understand. They're not like a dog. You know, you can't like hit a cat. They're fucking retarded. Definitely hit a dog because that's how they be learning in the wild, anyways. But you know, I do have to plug this in. Make sure my computer doesn't die because we are live streaming to the globe. Ah. And as we watch this go down, we would like to hope to see this not come back up. Because we know motherfuckers are not buying at these prices. 67,200? We were just here. We were just fucking here. And it was pumping. And then what happened? People stopped. So you think people are going to have confidence in Bitcoin every time it keeps dropping back down to the 60s? Fuck no, dude. There's no fucking way. People are way too fucking greedy to hold on to something so fucking volatile. Especially the motherfuckers who bought at the top thinking it was going to keep going up. You dumb. You fucking garbage. You tweaked. And now you're going to have to pay the price, you know? And that's how it goes. I mean, the only way to make money in this game is by taking it from some other sucker, man. And it's like every day you enter the market, are you going to be the fucking sucker or are you going to be the one fucking? I like to be the one fucking for real. I love fucking. Fucking is my favorite thing to do. I like jerking off, dude. Like jerking off is important. I jerk off before I work. It's like post nut clarity. In fact, I recommend all the men out there that are day traders, before you put that fucking trade in, go beat your meat and bust a nut and then think about that trade again. And if the trade still makes sense, put it in. You're going to be way more relaxed, you're going to be way more calm, and it'll play out a lot better for you. I guarantee you. And sometimes I'll bust a nut and I'll be like, you know what? Honestly, I'm not going to take that trade. And even if it goes in the direction I wanted it to go in, which doesn't happen often, but when it does, and after I've had that post nut clarity, you just you're way more chill about it. I mean, you just like whatever, like it's okay. It is what it is. That's how shit goes. Now, the one thing I don't like about this is that it's taking its sweet ass time at the top. Now, for example, I'm gonna be right fucking back because I gotta go make sure the baby goes to sleep. I'm gonna keep this running so you guys can watch it. Well, wouldn't you fucking know? Look at that. I was right. It is trailing up. How gay. How absolutely ridiculously gay. Look at that. Bop, 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 bop. Does it continue up with the gayness or will it drop? Who knows? All we can do is watch it. For real. What's good?
Buddy, what's up?
You said you needed help setting up your sway. Oh, I'm live on YouTube right now.
Okay.
I'm trading,
Well, work.
doing live trading. Oh, fuck me. Why the fuck did the baby drop this? all this gay homophobic shit.
How do I change my sway market?
Okay, you're sharing your screen.
I am.
Okay, go to your website. Go to yeah, and then click on the S button at the top left corner. The S. Click on the to scroll down. Nope, go back.
I gotta log in.
No. Scroll. Allow. Scroll. 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 Nothing. Nothing. Gay. Oh, wait. No, scroll. Okay, iOS. Yeah. Click here. Okay, now click the little square. Yeah. Oh, no. This and then that one. Yeah. Add to home screen. Done.
Yeah, I have this one for the old website. Let me delete that now. Let's see. Sway charts? Yeah, it should be sway charts.
Yeah, try it.
There we go.
Which one are you using?
It's 3. What the fuck?
No, just log in. Yeah. Nice.
There. Oh, shit.
What is it, a buy or a sell?
Yeah, that's a buy. I probably should be selling.
Go to Bitcoin and sell. Sell Bitcoin.
He said, give me orders.
Trust me.
Did it do it? Oh, it does do it. Oh, and I can edit on here now.
No
way.
You click on the click X. Click on.
I just closed it.
No, damn it. Okay. Click on the actual chart. No, stop. Go back to the chart. No, go back to the chart.
Oh, what's up?
Okay, click on the little yes, and then click the stop loss and drag up. No. Or you can set it manually there. Click. Yep, boom.
Yeah, it's like trading view. Okay. This is what I like.
You like that?
And now it tells you, yeah.
Get your...
Now I can just, I don't need to look at numbers. I can just drag and drop.
Bro, if I close my account right now, we'd have the same account balance.
54?
Well, I'm at 60, but yeah. Close enough. Only putting a penny in? I'm over leveraged.
Only 1 penny. That's all you need.
I guess.
How do I add this shit to my favorites? What is bonk? You trade bonk?
That's a crypto.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is that the thing that like spikes up?
Oh, you're talking about Boom.
Boom, yeah.
That shit's retarded.
Stop. There you go. Can I edit this list? Oh, there you go.
Oh, this is so gay that I lost so much money today.
Bro, I nearly lost. It's alright. I lost $90 this morning because I just forgot about a trade that I was in.
Ouch.
And I made it back already, so.
You're right.
There's no reason to stress. Like I think it goes from like, oh my god, I lost my money to I'll make it back. Like, it's a crazy feeling.
No, 100%. Hundo%. I'm watching this shit right now. It's being extra gay. I know it wants to come down. I know nobody's buying at 67.3. Bring your tootin' butt down.
Oh, look at that. Look at that trade.
Insane.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that cross. Very lost.
Scroll all the way down. That's the very bottom.
Oh, you can see the best times. That's cool. Yeah, I am a buyer.
I am a buyer.
Yeah, I do buy. What?
The loser.
Oh, that doesn't matter.
Yeah, I know.
Listen, look at that.
Yeah,
As
so
long as I make money, I can lose.
gold is feeding your whole family.
It has me.
Scroll.
What is this?
That's your monthly, your weekly, your daily percentages.
Yeah, I lose it down a little bit.
Just a little bit. Damn, 280% today.
Yeah, those are like 100. No, that's not today.
That's it.
I
Said
think
today.
that means in general.
That's your best percentage win for the day.
800% for a week. Yeah, that was good. I was gonna make
Jesus.
like 300.
That's pretty fat.
It ain't bad. Like I'm definitely way better than what. Oh, look at my profit. What the? Something's changing.
Something's changing.
Something's spiking. Yeah, she wants to eat all this liquidity. Hold up. I'll show you. Yeah, and mom, look at all this.
Bro,
It's actually not a bad entry. Was it like a 5-minute for rally, 15-minute for rally? Yeah, like that. Yeah, exactly. That's what I just said. Yeah, this is a good entry. I don't mind this entry at all. This ain't even your trade. This is my trade now.
You're so gay.
So, guys, today I am going to be trading Bitcoin against the US dollar. I entered in at 16.
Today, Eric took my sloppies.
Hey, yo. You ain't got to say it like that. You could have just said I took your trade.
I'm so pissed that it fucking closed one of my trade. What? How much money was that? Like $20? It took like $20 from me. For no fucking reason. Like it didn't just turn around. It literally spiked up. It was like it high-fived it and said, "Ha, bitch," and then came right back down.
What? I feel like a boomer when I try this shit again.
What a cunt of a market, dude.
Yeah, it fucking takes some money, dude. She does not care about you. Your baby, that did not change with the market. You thought that was going to bring you good luck?
No, your 1 penny brought me good luck.
My 1 penny changed the Rick method, changed the direction.
Yeah, dude.
Oh my God, you said kings.
I needed Rick in this bitch.
You said, Rick, can you buy real quick? I gotta do something.
If we lose together.
Real brothers.
I just clicked the little star button next to it.
Me when my baby's driving my trades and my negatives, so I can't just tell the baby to shut up.
Shut the fuck up. You're supposed to be sleeping.
Look at that. I'm in profit.
Yeah, I'm not. Not yet. My entries are at 67.1. I'm coming back for vengeance, though.
How do I make a favorite list? Oh, shit. Like, gold, like people are probably like, oh, it's going to sell. I'm like, nah. You know? Crazy. Andres?
Yeah?
Oh, okay. I heard making noise. I don't know if you can still hear me.
Nah, I see you. Let me look at this on the 1 minute. Oh my goodness, it's going back up for another bounce up to the moon bullshit. Oh, it hates me.
Andres, please don't blow my account.
I'm blowing it. It's coming to blow it.
You're blowing me? I knew you were a guy.
Big time.
See, I was baiting you out.
There's no need to bait me out.
Not only did we get your liquidity, but yeah, what you said. List.
Let me go check on this whining baby. Like, I'm in drawdown.
Stop fucking crying.
I'm supposed to be crying.